Hello children, welcome to Moral Science class. Today, let us try to understand the values conveyed in the 7th chapter and thereby make some good changes in our lives. The title of the 7th chapter is Be Courageous. Dear children, what do you understand by the word courage? Courage involves making good choices in the face of fear or obstacles. It means we do not let fear hold us back from exploring new opportunities, developing our skills, and doing what is right. Okay? Now let us read the lesson and understand that why should we be courageous in our life. Be courageous. Once Ramu and his friend Vinu went out in search of a lost cow. Vinu accidentally touched a high-tension electric cable that had been broken and fallen on the ground. Ramu remembered the disaster management lessons he had learned at school. He stood on just one of his rubber sandals and pushed Vinu's hand with the other sandal till he was released from the cable. They were alone in a very lonely area. Ramu was too small to carry Vinu, so he dragged him all the way back to the village where Vinu received first aid and his life was saved. Okay, you can see the picture here. See how Ramu tries to save Vinu's life by, see, he is trying to release Vinu's hand from the high tension electric cable by putting his own life in danger. Okay, he is standing on just one chappal. Okay, and he is using the other chappal to release his friend's hand from the cable and tries to save his life. Okay, this is called what? Courage. Okay. See, we can go to the next part of the chapter. We need to be courageous to face any situation. Many times, all of us might have come across many kinds of problems and difficulties. When we are in trouble, we need to have the courage to come out of it. A truly courageous person never fears the danger he is in. He evaluates the harm that could befall him. He judges the greatness of the value that urges him to run the risk of this harm. Many of our Jawans performed great feats of courage in the wars they have fought. They have showed us their courage in these wars and the constant struggle against terrorists. Our nation has the tradition of giving awards for courage to children before every Republic Day. The children selected for this award performed some great act of service for others at a grave risk to their own lives. As we all know, to be courageous is very difficult, and many people might have failed to be courageous in various situations in their lives. Even very courageous people may go through life totally unnoticed. There are people whose everyday life itself is an act of courage. Every day is a struggle for survival. We need to face all the situations of our life with courage. If you want to be courageous, you must have self-confidence and faith in yourself. According to Confucius, to see what is right and not do it is one of courage. Only courageous people can go with the right attitudes. If you want to stand for truth, you have to be courageous. Only the courageous people can contribute for the development of the society. If we want to develop our country, we must be courageous. As children, we need to always think that only the courageous man can walk in the darkness. So, we need to be courageous to walk in the darkness of ignorance. Children, now let us know the meaning of some of the key words in this chapter. Courageous, brave. To run the risk, to do something although something bad might happen because of it. What's the meaning of this? When you try to do something even by putting your own life in danger, especially for a good purpose. Okay, to run the risk, to do something although something bad might happen because of it. Attitude, the way that you think, feel or behave. Ignorance, lack of knowledge, understanding or information about something. Survive, to continue to live or to exist. Read and study the meaning of these words. Now let us recall the main points. Ramu's timely act of courage saved the life of his friend. A courageous person never fears the dangers he is in. We need to be courageous to face any situation. Our brave soldiers run the risk of putting their lives in danger to protect the nation from enemies. Our nation gives awards for courage to children who perform some great act of service for others at a grave risk to their own lives. If you want to be courageous, you must have self-confidence and faith in yourself. There are people whose everyday life itself is an act of courage. If you want to stand for truth, you have to be courageous. Only the courageous people can contribute for the development of the society. See children, read the lesson many times and understand the content and try to be as courageous as possible to do good.